Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Linux Dash on Rocky Linux 9.2. Linux Dash is an open source web-based server monitoring tool for Linux machines. This tool will display system properties such as CPU load, logged in users, RAM usage, disk usage, internet speed, network connection, RX and TX bandwidth, running process, etc. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.2. Okay, let's move to the installation procedure. First, install the dependencies that are required for Linux Dash application by using the following command. Press Y and hit enter to download. Next, install Git by using the following command. Now clone the Linux Dash package from GitHub by using the following command. Now long list the file by using the following command. Next, move the directory into Apache root directory by using the following command. Now create virtual host configuration for accessing Linux Dash by using the following command. Save and exit from the file. Now I am going to enable and start the Apache service by using the following command. Now check the status of the Apache service by using the following command. Our Apache service is in active and running state. Next, I am going to stop and disable the firewall by using the following command. Now check the status of the firewall by using the following command. Now the firewall is in inactive state. Next, disable the SC Linux by using the following command. Now restart the Apache service by using the following command. Now open the web browser and enter our server IP address. Here we can monitor system properties such as CPU load, logged in users, RAM usage, disk usage, internet speed, network connectivity, running process, etc. By this way, you can install Linux Dash on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.